Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on System. Now select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gbird. Lastly, just click on Text Correction, scroll down and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection. As you can see after that, automatic text correction is off, but you can always switch it on by tapping on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!